cycle 27. Baby, I'm a rifle. One bite you dead. So if you're gonna find me from my heart, all you're gonna get is blood of God.
What can I say? I need more than desire, more than just a pretty face. So girl, you better walk away. Oh yeah.
Hello everyone, if you are new here, welcome to my channel, and if you have subscribed, welcome back and thank you. You have tuned into MalyNature's business journal, where you get to see how I make my products and operate my small business. For those who don't already know, MalyNature is a hair, skin and self-care boutique of products made with natural or naturally derived ingredients. I love to work with Ayurvedic and African herbs as well as botanicals due to their known benefits to the hair and skin. Today I will be showing you how I make my Radiance Botanical Body and Hair Oil using my brand new Ivation Infuser. I have already measured out the oils as well as the botanicals that will be combined to make this amazing product. Its main ingredients are fractionated coconut oil, grapeseed oil, sunflower oil, infused with calendula and lavender buds. The Ivation Infuser is so easy to use. I simply pour in my botanicals and then my oils, mix them together, cover, select the appropriate settings, and allow it to run its cycle. Our Radiance Botanical Body and Hair Oil is very versatile. It can be used on the face as an oil cleanser and to seal in moisture to the skin. It can also be used in other ways, such as in bath water, after or along with lotions and butters, as hot oil treatment for the hair, or as a massage oil for the skin and hair. I'm so happy I purchased this infuser, as already it has significantly reduced my cleanup and production time, and I'm confident I get more potent extractions, resulting in a higher quality product. If you'd like to see the final product, keep watching, and please give a thumbs up on this video, subscribe and hit the notification bell for more of my content. Also, be sure to watch my other videos. It took about an hour for this process, but once it was done, I just used one of the filters that came in the package to separate the oils from the botanicals. When performing an extraction, the goal is to extract most of the bioactive molecules from the herbs. If possible, you want to leave the spent plant material with 0% of the bioactive molecules. An herbal infuser is a very useful tool for this, as it controls the extraction temperature and agitation. Before I purchased this infuser, I used a double boiler to infuse the oils over low heat for about 2 hours, and then I let it sit overnight before using cheesecloth with several beakers, filtering about 6 times. Before I was comfortable, I had properly extracted the oils. With the Ivation Infuser, I used less tools and saved on time. I had my oils fully extracted and ready for packaging in an hour and a few minutes. So what the Ivation Infuser really does is it grinds the herbs, and with the use of heat, it extracts the active components of the botanicals into the oil. I definitely saw a difference in the final product when I used the Ivation Infuser versus the double boiler method. The end result was more concentrated, which I really liked. The double boiler was effective, but I do enjoy the process far more now with my infuser and more confident about my extractions. There you have it, MalyNature's very own Radiant Botanical Hair and Body Oil. Affirmation for this week: I am graceful and tactful in my approach to challenging situations. Do not ever give anyone the upper hand of manipulating your emotions by stepping out of character and stooping to their level. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment below, and subscribe to my channel. Hit the notification bell so you don't miss the next one. Thank you for watching.
fighter, never backing down. Baby, I'm a soldier, standing my ground. So if you